in a tree. She eats bananas happily. She counts them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so fun. Counting in Africa under the sun. Animals counting, having fun. 2 giraffes so tall and proud. They count white clouds floating loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They stretch their necks and do cool tricks. Counting in Africa under the sun. Animals counting, having fun. 3 zebras run fast and light. They count the stripes, black and white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Zebras dance, it feels like heaven. Counting in Africa under the sun. Animals counting, having fun. 4 elephants, big and gray. Counting fish, splashing all day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spraying water, isn't it great? Counting in Africa under the sun. Animals counting, having fun. 5 lions roar with mighty sound. Counting trees all around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The jungle is their royal sign. Counting in Africa under the sun. Animals counting, having fun. Animals smile, it's time to shine. They count the stars all in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count together once again. Counting in Africa.